Feel so numb, ride me till I'm about to come.
Hello YouTube, it's your girl Maya and I am back with another video. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If not, welcome back. So as you guys read by the title, I am doing the 2 long braids. I did this on my TikTok page and I got 14,000 views. So I was like, I might as well do it on YouTube so more people could see how to do 2 long braids my way. I have received a lot of feedback of people saying they love my hair, the 2 braids, and even in person. So I might as well post it on YouTube. Here I am making a video to share it to you guys, to my subscribers to YouTube, and people who want to watch this video. So yeah, without further ado, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you guys stay connected. I will be dropping more videos and more bangers. I'm trying to be consistent, so if y'all support me, I'm gonna drop a lot of videos. I'm gonna be consistent. I will be showing you guys from start to finish on how I achieve this look. So if you haven't already done so, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you guys stay connected when I do post again. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So these are the items that I will be using in order to achieve the 2 braids. I'm going to go with my Echo Styling Gel, a hard brush, a comb brush, She Is Balm Collection Edge Control, a scrunchie, an edge brush, and a comb. So I'll be using all of these products in the video so you guys can see which ones I'm using and you guys can maybe get some of these products. Now I did get 1 pack of the 6-in-1 expression braiding hair. It is 1B and it's 58 inches. So you just pretty much need 1 pack of braiding hair because you only doing 2 braids. Alright you guys, so I'm going to start off with parting my hair and leaving the edges out. So you want to do a long straight part. Make sure it is clean. I am going to be using the She Is Balm Edge Control to clean up my part. So basically you just apply it on your part like this and you go all the way to the end of the line. Now what you're going to want to do is clean your part. You're going to basically repart it. That helps you get like a real clean part, because sometimes you need that extra help for using the edge control. So as you guys see, my part is really straight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this hair on the back of the chair. So this one comes with 6, like I said earlier. All you need is 1 pack. This is a 58 inch. You guys can get a 58 inch, and then if you want it to be really long, basically add more hair to it at the end. So I'm gonna start off with 1. Sometimes these braiding hair will get natty, so I think that it's best to brush through it a little bit. Since we are starting from small to big, you're going to add like a few small pieces to help you start off the beginning of your hair. I'm going to start off with 3 small pieces of braiding hair, and then I'm going to work my way up to do the bigger ones. Because what you want to do is go from small to big, because that's how the braid is going to go. I'm going to go in with my She Is Balm Edge Control and I'm going to apply it on my hair. Going with this hard brush and slick it down. Now I did post this video on TikTok. This video got 14,000 views, a lot of shares, people were saving the video. So I was like, I might as well post a video on YouTube and show you guys how to do 2 braids. So this is like my 3rd or 4th time doing these 2 braids. I am starting with a little piece of hair and I'm going to basically bring it into 3 so I can start braiding my hair. So there we go. And remember I said I'm going to put 3 small braids. So I'm going to take 1, put it underneath it, and then this the last 3 that were smaller pieces. From here, you're gonna just add hair in. So basically, as you're braiding, you also want to take small amounts of edge control and add some edge control as you go. Sometimes I take like about 2 pieces and add them together too. Sometimes this hair can get so matted when you adding piece by piece. So from here, you just keep adding here until you get the length that you want. Some of this hair done fell to the ground, so that's why y'all see me adding, going to the ground, adding more hair. That's one down, one more to go. I'm gonna add a little bit more edge control just so I can make sure it stays in one place. And what you're gonna do is take the comb and just basically comb or brush, no, preferably comb, and just slick it down more. Make it straight. So basically whatever I do on one side, I'm gonna do the other. So as you guys see me adding more hair, doing for this side. Y'all let me know in the comments below of what you guys think of my braids. Well, it's not done yet though, but y'all get to see one braid and see how it's going. I did my hair in like 6 braids before. Like, I know how to braid. Certain hairstyles is like when you really can't see in the back of your hair, you ain't gonna really do too much hairstyles. But for the most part, I can definitely do a lot of hairstyles. It's just that you just gotta be patient when it comes to braiding. It may take a little longer than anybody else braiding your hair because you're braiding it. So basically you just add in here until it gets the length that you want, and make sure both sides are the same, and especially where it ends to. I just got done with my braids. Y'all let me know in the comments below of what you guys think of my 2 braids and how did I do. I will be showing you guys the finished look when my edges is completed, and I will have the ends to be dipped. So that's what I have to do. So make sure that when you guys do braid your hair, when you're finished, do your edges, put mousse on your hair, and you dip them in hot water. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright you guys, so I'm about to get ready to dip my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and fire my edges real quick. I am using She Is Bomb Collection Edge Control. So I just make all my edges straight. When I do my edges, I do like 3 swoops on one side, 3 swoops on the other side, and then I do a swoop in the middle. Alright you guys, so I ended up doing my own edges without showing you guys because my battery went dead on my camera. So I'm going to show you guys the finished look. This is my hair. It is done. If y'all want me to do more hair videos or any videos like that or whatever type of videos y'all want me to do, this concludes my hair tutorial. If you stayed until the end of this video, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you guys stay connected. I'm out of here. Bye.
I just finished on you. Good loving, feel so numb. Ride me till I'm about to come.